Yo, what is up everybody? And in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you guys can change your cash tag in Cash App. So if you guys do not know what cash tag is, then cash tag is a type of tag which is given to you on your Cash App, or which you put on your Cash App while making your Cash App account. And that cash tag is used to send you money or to receive money as well. So if you want to send money to somebody, you use their cash tag as well. Let's say I want to send $13 to somebody. I click on pay. Over here it says to, and I can even enter their cash tag. All right, so after I enter their cash tag and click on pay, it's gonna send money to the person with the following cash tag. So just keep that in mind. All right, and you can also receive money from somebody by sending your cash tag to them. All right, so if you want to change your cash tag, remember that make sure to inform all those people who are gonna be sending you money. All right, because if they send you money on your old cash tag which you have already changed, it's gonna be gone to a wrong person and you can't refund that money. So keep that in mind. Once you change your cash tag, your method of payment will be changing as well, because your friend has to use your new cash tag to send you money. So keep that in mind. So it's pretty simple to change your cash tag, but before that, do hit that like and subscribe to our channel with notification on so you guys can get notified for our future video. And let's get right into the video, shall we? So you can click on your profile picture at the top once you come into Cash App. So it's not showing my profile picture at the screen because I haven't uploaded any, but if you guys have uploaded a profile picture under Cash App, it's going to show you over here. I can click on it. And I can click on over here where my cash tag is over here. I can click on my cash tag, then this menu appears, and on this menu I can click on where it says edit cash tag. I can click on edit cash tag, and let me just remove this 9 and put 8 over here. So I've edited my cash tag and I can click on set. Wait for some time, and it's saying, are you sure you want to change your cash tag? You can only do this 2 more times. So it says like you have limited time to change your cash tag. All right, by total you have 3 chances. The first one is already set when you're creating your account, and the other is 3 chances. All right, so once you use 3 of your chances, you can change your cash tag. So I'm not going to change my cash tag right now. I'm here just to show you guys how you guys can change it. So that's basically how you guys can do it. Come here, enter a new cash tag, click on set, and it'll be set. So let me go back. So yeah, that's basically how you guys can change your cash tag on Cash App. So if you guys found our video helpful, then be sure to hit the like and subscribe to our channel with notification on so you guys can get notified for our future video. And if you guys have any question related with this video, you can ask us in the comment. I'll be happy to answer you guys, and I will be seeing you guys in a bit. Until then, bye bye, have a nice day.